Credit cards versus debit cards. The differences between them. Easy enough concept? But before I continue, if you are new to the channel, first of all, the most basic difference. Let's start with debit cards. These cards are issued by the bank you have an account with, and they are directly linked to your own bank account. When you purchase something with your debit card, the money will be deducted from your bank account. Checkings account, to be more precise. You are spending your own money. People sometimes say that debit cards are the modern equivalents of checkbooks. And on the other hand, for credit cards, well, they are not linked to your bank account. They can be issued by banks or other companies. And when you make a purchase with your credit card, you will owe that institute that amount of money. You are taking a small loan, and you also have to pay a small interest fee for that. That's it. That's the basic difference. Credit cards are issued by banks, credit card companies, and there are some alternative lenders. There are different types of credit cards. There are cards that will have the added benefit of some travel points and cashback options. Usually you will get these benefits from companies that have made some sort of deals with the credit card provider. There are credit cards where you have to deposit some amount of money to the provider first. These are called secured credit cards. And there are your standard credit cards with nothing but the benefit of getting some money from the provider. They usually have a spending limit. The credit card provider will decide on the limit based on your credit score, credit history, and your annual income, of course. For debit cards, there are just banks. Banks provide your debit cards. You have a bank account, the bank will provide you your debit card. If you want to, that is. But there is a way of getting a debit card without having a bank account. And those are called prepaid debit cards. You have to pay the amount of money you want to spend with the card in advance. Then you spend it. That is the main thing. Whenever you are spending with your debit card, you are spending your own money, and whenever you are spending with credit card, you are taking a small loan. That is all I'm going to talk about this topic. It was short enough. I said before, it is an easy enough concept. You can like, comment, share, subscribe, and everything else. All of those are ways of supporting this channel. And if you want to go one step further, you can help me out on Patreon. Link will be in the description section below. And for the bonus, I'd just like to talk about the word bank. What does it translate to in different languages? First of all, I think I have said in one of my previous bonus section that the Spanish word for bank is banco. With that out of the way, the Japanese word for bank is this. And the pronunciation of this is banku. Yes, believe it or not, it is banku. Bank in Japanese is banku. And bank in Italian is banca. And bank in French is banque. You might start to see a pattern over here. Bank in German is Bank. It will look like this. The pronunciation is Bank. Bank, Banco, Banku, Banca, Banque, Bonk. Now that was my bonus section for today. And this is the official end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, if you are still watching. And lastly, I really hope you have learned something new today. Goodbye for now.